AABIP Video Educational Series, Rigid Bronchoscope Assembly, Lymol and Efer. Lymol and Bryan are different manufacturers for the same type of rigid scope. Both are very similar to Efer. Lymol and Bryan are no longer manufactured but are still widely in use. All are similar in style, size, and accessory components. The optical telescope can be used with any of these scopes. Lymol overview. Both bronchoscopes and tracheoscopes are available. There are different diameter size bronchoscopes and tracheoscopes available that are color-coded to differentiate size. The diameter sizes are the same between the bronchoscopes and tracheoscopes. The bronchoscopes are longer and have side ventilation ports that distinguish them from the tracheoscopes. Different accessories are available, including mouthguard, red caps for the proximal end of the bronchoscope, blue caps for instrument port adapters, jet ventilator adapter, port adapters, an anesthesia connector, and universal instrumentation barrel. Anti-fog solution is also helpful. The optical instruments include the camera, light source, an optical telescope for either the tracheoscope or the bronchoscope. The scope sizes are color-coded, internal to external diameter. Yellow is 12 to 13 diameter, black is 11 to 12 diameter, red is 9 to 10 diameter, green is 7 to 8 diameter, and blue is 6 to 7 diameter. Next, the ventilator connector is attached to the instrument barrel. To attach a scope to the instrument barrel, rotate the locking mechanism to expose the colored dot. Align the dots, insert the rigid scope, and rotate the locking mechanism. To release the scope, rotate the locking mechanism. Attach the instrument adapter to the scope. Place a blue cap over the adapter. Next, attach the red optical cap to the proximal end of the scope. This is the jet ventilator adapter. Attach it to the scope as shown. This is the assembled scope. Next, assemble the optical telescope. Attach the light source adapter for the Storz telescope. Attach the camera to the end of the telescope. Attach the light source to the telescope. Finally, insert the telescope into the assembled rigid scope. Adjust the focus and zoom function prior to intubation. Efer bronchoscope variations. This is the anesthesia connector with a built-in jet hose connector and a separate ventilator tubing connector. The scopes have 1 centimeter metric markers shown by these arrows. A comparison between Efer on the left and Lymol on the right shows very minor differences.